Can a tablet finally replace your laptop in 2026? Because while everyone's still arguing about iPads, Samsung has been quietly doing it with DeX for years. And this new Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra might be the closest thing yet. Stay with me because this thing blurs the line between laptop and tablet more than anything I've used. This is Samsung's flagship tablet, and it feels like it. It's insanely thin at 5.1mm, almost iPad Pro thin, with a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED display that's bright, sharp, and surprisingly easy on the eyes thanks to the anti-reflective coating. You get quad speakers, USB-C, a micro SD slot up to 2TB, which Apple still refuses to give you, and a redesigned S Pen that snaps to the top. No charging needed, but also not Bluetooth tricks. Now this is where things get interesting. Samsung's book cover keyboard slim snaps on magnetically and instantly turns into something that feels like a laptop. The keys actually have decent travel, and typing doesn't feel like a compromise. But the real story isn't the keyboard, it's software. Android finally have the official desktop mate, and it's good. Resizable windows, multitasking, snapping apps side by side. It feels very PC-like. But Samsung DeX is better. Once you connect an external monitor, DeX kicks in and suddenly this tablet behaves like a full desktop setup. Multiple windows, taskbar, shortcuts. It's not perfect, but it's powerful. This is why people have been using Galaxy Tabs as their actual computers for years. Inside you're getting the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, Samsung's top-tier chip. It's fast, everyday work, browsing, docs, multitasking, zero issues. Is it faster than the M5 iPad Pro? No. Apple still wins over power and unstayed loads. But here's the thing. For the 90% of people, this is already more than they need. The display hits around 1600 nits, matching Apple. Battery life, good but not amazing, around 14 hours in real tests, which is actually less than the iPad Pro. Charging is solid, speakers are loud with heavy bass. Cameras are tablet cameras. Fine, nothing special. But the big problem is here. The Tab S11 Ultra starts with $1,200 and the keyboard is another $200. That's the laptop money. So the real question becomes, why would you buy this instead of a laptop? If you wanna see which tablets I will buy right now, check this video.